Ever wondered how those crypto mining apps on your phone actually work? Many promise passive mining, earn coins while your phone sleeps. But the truth is a bit different. Most apps do not run full mining on your phone. Instead, work is done on remote servers or mining pools. Step 1, the app tracks your activity. Step 3, servers contribute to mining pools and tokens they're shared. Many apps reward users with platform tokens, small payouts, or referral bonuses, not full direct coin mining. Watch out for scams, low payouts, and hidden fees. These apps may collect data or drain your battery. Always check reviews and permissions. Now verify, read independent reviews, check the app's white paper or website, look for community discussions, and never share private keys. Bottom line, your phone usually isn't doing the heavy lifting. Do your research before trusting any mining app.
But choosing the right wallet can make or break your experience. In this video, we'll look at the best crypto wallets for Nigerians.
It's one of the easiest mobile wallets to use. You control your private keys, it supports thousands of coins, and it works great for DeFi, airdrops, and NFTs. It's perfect. It offers spot trading, P2P for Nigerian users, staking, and very strong security. Is the Coinbase exchange. The Coinbase wallet gives you full control of your keys. It's one of the safest mobile wallets globally. Of Web3, perfect for anyone using Ethereum chain or other EM networks. If you love staking like the Ledger Nano S Plus or Nano X. If you store large amounts of crypto long-term, nothing beats cold storage. I believe that blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries, not just finance. In the world of cryptocurrency, understanding the basics is crucial. Bitcoin, for instance, operates on a decentralized...
Those are the best crypto wallets for Nigerians in 2025. Tell me in the comments, which wallet do you use the most? If you dey confused how to move your crypto from one blockchain to another, no worry. For this video, I go show you by step how to bridge your coins. Bridging means transferring your crypto from one blockchain to another. For example, moving USDT from Ethereum network to Polygon network. People, they do this for lower fees, faster transactions, and to use different apps. Before you start, make sure say you get wallet, coin, gas fee, and trusted bridge.
Open your wallet and switch to the network where your crypto dey.
Always confirm the correct website to avoid scam. Choose the source network and the destination network. Select the coin, enter amount, and check the gas fee. If now your first time, approve the token before bridging. Click bridge and confirm the transaction inside your wallet. Wait small for the transaction to complete. Well, we're done. After that, switch your wallet to the destination network. Your coin go appear automatically, or you fit add them manually. Our word is always test with small amount first. No bridge directly from exchange. Use wallet. Make sure say you get gas fee on both networks. That's now how to bridge crypto safely from one blockchain to another. If this help you, like share and follow for more crypto education.
Many people, they trade crypto but no understand arbitrage. Today, I go show you how to buy low and sell high across exchanges. Arbitrage simply means you buy crypto for one place cheap, then sell them for another place higher. There are three main types: CEX to CEX, CEX to DEX, and DEX to DEX. CEX na centralized exchange like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, where company they control the platform. DEX na decentralized exchange like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, where you use your wallet directly. Yet sometimes Bitcoin price fit be lower for Binance and higher for another exchange.
And you go buy the coin on the cheaper exchange using spot trading.
Then you withdraw the coin and send them to the higher price exchange.
When the coin arrive, you sell them on spot market and collect your profit. Remember, say trading fees and withdrawal fees fit reduce your profit. If network slow or price change fast, arbitrage fit fail. Much goes, you fit buy ETH or USDT on centralized exchange first. and bright state, then send them to your wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange. If price higher for DEX, you swap and collect better value. Gas fee and slippage day important. If gas high, profit fit disappear. Some tokens day cheaper for one DEX and higher for another. Swain, you buy the token on the cheaper decentralized exchange, then you sell them immediately on another DEX with higher price. If liquidity low, price fit crash when you sell. You buy the token on the cheaper decentralized exchange, then you sell them immediately on another DEX with higher price. If liquidity low, price fit crash when you sell.
Profit equal selling price minus buying price minus fees and gas.
Arbitrage no dey give big money once. Na small gain. Always test with small amount before you increase capital. If you understand arbitrage well, you fit reduce risk and trade smarter. Make I show you real example of how to buy crypto using decentralized exchanges. I cake on PancakeSwap and CEX and you first open your Trust Wallet and confirm say your BNB dey smart chain.
Open PancakeSwap from the D app browser and connect your wallet.
Select BNB, choose cake, enter amount and set slippage. Aim. Literally click swap and confirm the transaction. Or cake is your cake and then enter your wallet successfully. Now make we buy Uni using Uniswap on Ethereum. Connect your wallet and confirm say you dey Ethereum network. Select each, choose Uni and check gas fee before swapping.
Confirm the swap inside your wallet. UNI don't arrive for your wallet. Always use official websites and test with small amount. No share your seed phrase with anybody. That's a real way to buy coin on PancakeSwap and Uniswap.